Landmannalaugar.
Landmannalaugar. Landmannalaugar.
This area requires four-wheel drive to reach, and I visited on a day trip from Reykjavik with Bus Travel Iceland. Many people are here on longer multi-day hikes such as the Laugavegur Trail connecting Landmannalaugar and Thorsmork. I would have loved to do this, and I'm sure some would argue it's the best hiking in Iceland.
We're Jenna and Jeremy, travelers, creators, and digital nomads.
As part of an exciting freelance gig, we spent 3 months in the stunning country of Iceland.
Follow our adventures as we explore more of this incredible planet Earth.
Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and you can also find us on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok at Quench Your Adventure. Now on to the good stuff. Anyway, the main short loop here is just under 3 miles with 550 feet of elevation gain, and I ventured a bit further because I had just enough time to.
Guys, I don't understand. It is brutally sunny and really warm, and I'm not complaining. It's just unexpected, but I really am sweating like crazy, and I should have worn shorts today. Normally you have a breeze to cool you down, but there's very little wind today, which is totally not typical Icelandic.
Thank you all so much for watching. Some spectacular places that I'm so thankful to have explored. Please like the video, leave a comment, and subscribe for more travel videos. See ya.